shadow Botafogos, exercise. We start exercise with right foot forward in Latin cross position, point to side and replace weight. Again, step forward to Latin cross position, point to side and replace weight. Let's look again. We will start with right foot. Step forward to Latin cross position, point to side, replace weight and slight turn. Forward to Latin cross, point to side, replace weight and slight turn. And now we stand approximately 1 meter apart from each other in open promenade position. Man starts with left foot forward, point, replace, forward, point, replace. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with right foot. She starts forward and goes under man's arm, point, replace, with left foot forward and goes under man's arm, point, replace. Now let's look with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And again we can count with slows and slow, 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 slow. And now let's do traveling voltas and continuous voltas, spot turn. And again we start with exercise. With right foot forward to Latin cross, side, forward to Latin cross, to side, forward to Latin cross. Now point to side and replace weight. And with left foot forward in Latin cross, to side, forward in Latin cross, to side, forward in Latin cross, point to side and replace weight. This is called Botofogo ending. Now we start Volta 1 meter from each other in open promenade position. Man starts with left foot forward to Latin cross, side, forward to Latin cross, side, forward to Latin cross, point to side and replace weight. Then we continue. Man goes with right foot forward to Latin cross, side, forward to Latin cross, side, forward to Latin cross, side and forward to Latin cross. And now we can close hands in closed hold. Now let's look again. This time we look at lady steps. Lady starts with right foot forward in Latin cross, to side, forward in Latin cross, to side, forward in Latin cross. Now point to side and replace weight. Now lady will do solo spot turn to left, forward in Latin cross, to side, forward in Latin cross, to side, forward in Latin cross, to side, and forward in Latin cross, and we take close hold. Now with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do again. This time we will count with slows. And slow, 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 slow. And now let's look at back rocks. Man will start with left foot, back, forward, replace, then back, forward, replace. And now let's look at lady steps. Lady will start with right foot, forward, back, replace, forward, back, replace. And now we will count this figure. Notice different count than before. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Let's do again. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. When we dance back rock, distance between partners will change. When lady goes forward, distance is smaller, distance between us. And when she goes back, distance increases. Here we of course exaggerate this change of distance. Close distance and then again increase distance. And now let's look at reverse basic, promenade, Botofogo and side samba walk. Man starts with left foot, forward, close with part weight and replace weight, back, close with part weight and replace weight. Now forward, then point to side and turn to promenade position. And notice when we turn to promenade position, then our hands slide. Then forward in promenade position, then point to side and slip away from each other. And now let's look at lady's steps. Lady will start with right foot, back, close with part weight, replace weight, forward, close with part weight, replace weight, backward, point to side and turn to promenade and replace weight. Now forward in promenade position, point to side and slide away from each other. So this slip in feet will be approximately 8 centimeters. Slow, as slow, slow, as slow, slow, as slow, slow, as slow. And again, this time with the numbers. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. And now whole routine in slow motion. 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6 a 7 a 8. 1 a 2 a 3 a 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. And again, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6 a 7 a 8, 1 a 2 a 3 a 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8. And now let's look at routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.